Hey everyone, it's Chef Mimi and we are gearing up for the holidays with a fabulous new recipe made with Impossible Burger. During the holidays, my grandmother used to allow us to go play in her backyard, and we would always get to smell the aroma of sweet bell peppers. Excited to be able to embody my grandmother's energy. My grandmother is one of those old souls who making everybody feel love through her dishes, and I can just hear my grandmother right now saying, add this little bit of salt, add some cayenne pepper. Girl, what's going on? Why are you not putting enough seasonings in that food? Ooh, this smells so good. We're gonna add it into our rice. I'm excited to be able to use Impossible Burger to make this dish. So we're bringing it home with an amazing stuffed bell pepper with Impossible Burger, and we're celebrating